In a minute, you can generate viral crossing videos using AI for free. If you want to make satisfying or viral style video for your YouTube shorts or reel, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to create hydraulic press videos with AI for free. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see these are the few examples. First of all, I will give this prompt link in this video description and in first comment also. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, link in this video description. So just copy this prompt, full prompt, then go to ChatGPT and open new chat. Just paste here your prompt, which is just we copied. ChatGPT automatic give you 15 unique crossable object. So you need to just copy the one of the things. Suppose ice cube with flour inside, tennis ball extra pressure. Let's try on this topic. So now just copy, or you can simply type here your number, then again send. Now enter your channel or your Instagram name or anything. Suppose my YouTube channel name is Opa, so I type here my YouTube channel name. Here you can see image generation prompt and video generation prompt. So now you need to copy this image generation prompt. If you have flow, then you can also create hydraulic videos with flow or grok, but this is the video about how to get and create in a free. So we use new tool, that is AI powered video creation for work. I'll give this link in this video description, so just visit the link and click on this sign into vids to create videos on from this platform. You don't need to create card or anything. Here you can see landscape or portrait and VOE 3.1 new. So we need to first create image. You can use ChatGPT, either Gemini. Now we need to paste our image generation prompt here. Select this create image. Now click on send button. Here you can see generated image from our prompt, my YouTube channel name and the tennis ball. So we need to first download this image. After download the generated image, go to again ChatGPT and you need to copy this prompt too for video generation. Just copy this prompt. Now go to this website and portrait, we want to create portrait or landscape. Now simply close this and here you can see we need to paste here our prompt. Now you can also use this for end shot prompt 3 final cross frame. Again go to this website and paste here your prompt. Then you can also select aspect ratio. Now we need to upload our generated image here. Now click on this generate button. By this way you can create unlimited videos and long videos also in a completely free without credit card or anything. You don't need to subscribe on Flow or Grok or any another AI tools. And if you are interested to buy anything, so please visit my store. I will give this website link in this video description also. Here you can see our video is generated. Now we need to insert this. Click on this insert button. Now let's play this. Here you can see our video is generated. Just click on this share button and export to drive, or you can direct export to in your YouTube channel or MP4 GIF. Click on this download as a MP4. Here you can see our video is downloaded 5.7 MB. Let's open this file. And you can remove watermark from here in another website. If you want to create another video for your long video, just click on this plus icon, then insert your prompt and generate video. After all the shorts video, you can simply direct export all the shorts into a long format videos. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.